Hello, welcome back to Python tutorial series. In this video we will talk about in keyword. So let's start. So in this video we will discuss about the definition and uses of in keyword. The in keyword has two purposes. The first one is the in keyword is used to check if a value is present in a sequence, that means in a list or range or string or not. For example, in this code you can see that we have a list of languages, that is English, Bangla and Hindi, and if I want to check that if a particular language is present in this list or not, then we can use in keyword. For example, you can see here we are checking that if Bangla in languages, then print yes. That means if the Bangla language is present in this languages list, then it will print yes. This is one usage of in keyword. So if you run the code, it will print yes. So let me show that one. So this is our code, and if you run it, this will print yes, because the Bangla language is present in this languages list. So this way we can use in keyword. And the next one is the in keyword is also used to iterate through a sequence in a for loop. For example, we have the same list, languages list, English, Bangla and Hindi, and here this time we are using in keyword in a for loop. For example, for x in languages, that means we are iterating. We will iterate the languages list, and each time we will print each element of the list. For x, this is a variable where this variable will take each and every element of the list one by one, and it will print in the console or in the screen. So let's see in the practical example. So this is our code, and this time if you run the code, it will iterate each and every language one by one. You can change the x here. You can give any name. You can give the name of this x as an item. This will also work. So you can give any name of x, this variable. So if you run that one, it will give the same result. So this is how actually in keyword works in these two purpose. So I hope this is clear for you. Please do practice this in keyword in your if or in for loop, so that you will be habituated with it. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.